Use headphones for better experiences. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to another video. So friends, do you know who is the forest man of India? If you don't know, then you have came to the right video because today I am going to tell about the forest man of India, Jadav Payeng, who was born in 1963, is an environmental activist and forestry worker from Majuli, popularly known as the forest man of India. Over the course of several decades, he has planted and tended trees on sandbar of the river Brahmaputra, turning it into a forest reserve. The forest called Molai Forest after him is located near Kokilamuk of Jorhat, Assam, India, and encompasses an area of about 1,360 acres, that is 550 hectares. In 2015, he was honored with Padma Shri, the fourth highest civilian award in India. He was born in the indigenous Mising tribe of Assam. Before going deep into the video, for your kind information, I have divided the video into three parts. First part, his career. In 1979, Payeng, then 16, encountered a larger number of snakes that had died due to excessive heat after floods washed them onto the treeless sandbar. This is when he planted around 20 bamboo seedlings on the sandbar. He started working on the forest in 1979 when the Social Forestry Division of Golaghat district launched a scheme of tree plantation on 200 hectares at Aruna Chapori, situated at a distance of 5 km from Kokilamuk in Jorhat district. Molai was one of the laborers who had worked in that project, which was completed after 5 years. He chose to stay back after the completion of the project, even after other workers left. He not only looked after the plants but continued to plant more trees on his own in an effort to transform the areas into a forest. The forest, which came to be known as Molai Forest, now houses of Bengal tigers, Indian rhinoceros, and over 100 deers and rabbits. Molai Forest is also home to monkeys and several varieties of birds, including a large number of vultures. There are several thousand trees including Valkol, Arjun, Ejar, Goldmohur, Korai, Moj and Himolu. Bamboo covers an area of over 300 hectares. A herd of 100 elephants regularly visit the forest every year and generally stays for around 6 months. They have given birth to 10 calves in the forest in the recent years. His effort became known to the authorities in 2008 when Forest Department officials went to the area in search of 115 elements that had retreated into the forest after damaging property in village of Aruna Chapori, which is about 1.5 km from the village. The officials were surprised to see such a large and dense forest, and since then the forest has regularly visited the site. In 2013, poachers tried to kill the rhinos staying in the forest but failed in their attempt due to Molai, who alerted our department officials. Officials promptly seized various articles used by the poachers to trap the animals. Molai is ready to manage the forest in a better way and to go to other places of state to start a similar venture. Now his aim is to spread his forest to another sandbar inside Brahmaputra. Second part, his personal life. Jadav Payeng belongs to the Mising tribe in Assam, India. He lives in a small hut in forest. Binita, his wife, and his 3 children, 2 sons and a daughter, accompany him. He has cattle and buffalo on his farm and sells milk for his livelihood. which is his only source of income. In an interview from 2012, he revealed that he has lost around 100 of his cows and buffaloes to the tigers in the forest, but blames the people who carry out large-scale encroachment and destruction of forests as the root cause of plight of wild animals. Third part, honors. Jadhav Payeng was honored at a public function arranged by the School of Environmental Sciences, Jawaharlal Nehru University, on 22nd April 2012 for his achievement. He shared his experiences of creating a forest in an interactive session where Magsaysay Award winner Rajendra Singh and NJNU Vice Chancellor Sudhir Kumar Sapori were present. Sapori named Jadhav Payeng as the Forest Man of India. In the month of October 2013, he was honored at the Indian Institution of Forest Management during their annual event Qualscience in 2015. He was honored with Padma Shri, the fourth highest civilian award in India. He received honorary doctorate degree from Assam Agriculture University and Kaziranga University for his contribution. And this is the end of the video, guys. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you. See you in the next video.